Hi there! If you spend more than 6 hours a day sitting at a desk, you've probably felt that mid-afternoon lower back tightness or that deep neck stiffness that just spoils your productivity. That was exactly my situation. And I have been upgrading my home office recently, and I realized my chair was one thing holding the entire setup back. So it's finally time for an upgrade. After looking at a few different options, I decided to try the brand new Habata E3 Pro Ergonomic Office Chair 2026 edition. Habata claims this 4th generation model has been entirely redesigned using feedback from over 100,000 users. They've packed it with 22 different points of adjustment, a zero blind spot armrest system, and a revolutionary 3-zone dynamic lumbar support that physically wraps around your waist. In this video, we're breaking down what's actually new for 2026, exploring the standout features, and answering the big question: is it worth your hard-earned money? Let's find out. Right out of the box, building the E3 Pro takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Everything feels incredibly solid. Hbada opted for an alloy steel base, high-grade structural nylon, and a gorgeous metallic finish back bar that gives it a futuristic, high-tech aesthetic. But the real star of the build is the new cloud mesh textile technology. Hbada uses a specialized 4-way weaving pattern that boosts elasticity by 83% and drastically cuts down on structural sagging over time. If you've ever sat on a cheap mesh chair, you know that after a few months, it begins to sag like a hammock, cutting off the circulation to your thighs. With the E3 Pro 2026 edition, the pressure distribution across your hips is improved by over 20%. It feels highly supportive but soft, almost like you're floating. Plus, because it's a completely breathable mesh, you won't overheat during intense gaming or long summer editing sessions. Now let's talk about the absolute best feature of this chair: the world's first 3-zone elastic lumbar system. Traditional office chairs give you a static plastic block that you shove into your lower spine. The E3 Pro uses a purely mechanical gravity sensing system that actively adapts to you without any clunky electronic parts. It features a central spine pad paired with 2 independent rotating side wings. These wings pivot anywhere from 40 to 80 degrees, meaning that when you shift your weight, twist around to grab a coffee, or lean over your desk, the wings hug your lower back muscles. It completely eliminates that empty gap behind your lower back where slouching starts. You can manually adjust the height of this entire lumbar zone by 60 millimeters up and down to perfectly line up with your L1 to L5 vertebrae. For me, this made a massive difference. Usually after 4 hours of working, my lower back feels heavy and fatigued. With this dynamic tracking system, the chair essentially outthinks your sitting posture, moving with you instead of forcing you to stay rigidly frozen. Instead of leaving you guessing with 5 different confusing plastic paddles, Hbada streamlined the operation into a premium one-touch single control lever. Lift it up to adjust your height, slide it forward to alter your seat depth by up to 50 millimeters, or pull it back to unlock the recline. Moving up the body, the upgraded 4D Dual-Axis Headrest offers micrometer level precision. It gives you 40 millimeters of height adjustment, 70 millimeters of front to back depth, and a 70-degree dual axis rotation. Whether you are sitting perfectly upright or cradled back in a deep tilt, it provides zero pressure neck support. And check out the armrests. They call them the 720-degree omnifunctional arms. They offer dual 360-degree mechanical rotation and a 39-degree vertical folding hinge. If you are typing on your keyboard, gaming with a controller, or holding a smartphone up to your face, you can pivot the armrest to create a floating support base right beneath your elbows, eradicating shoulder hunching completely. When it's time to step away from deep focus, the E3 Pro transitions into a premium lounge chair. Thanks to the advanced gravity sensing auto balance chassis, the chair automatically senses your body weight and applies the perfect level of recline resistance. It features a multi-position lock that goes all the way back to a wide 140-degree angle. When you combine that deep tilt with a retractable padded leg rest, it becomes the ultimate setup for taking a quick afternoon nap, watching a video, or reading over scripts. Sizing-wise, it comfortably accommodates anyone from 5'1" all the way up to 6'5", holding a weight capacity of up to 240 pounds. Ultimately, the Habata E3 Pro 2026 edition brings genuine reactive posture tracking, unmatched armrest flexibility, and premium cloud mesh durability that directly rivals chairs twice its cost. Plus, Hbada upgraded their structural warranty on core components to a full 5 years for the 2026 line, which shows they are really standing behind the build quality. If you want to rescue your lower back from daily fatigue, I have left the official links below in the description box where you can grab one for yourself. Drop a comment, hit that subscribe button if this review helped you out, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.